I'm Aaron from Columbia. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install your bead kit onto your flat box. The kit comes with the following items: your bead guides, 4 studs, 4 stainless washers, 4 Delrin washers, 4 hex washers, and 4 lock nuts. To install the kit, you'll need a pair of pliers, a 1/4-inch driver, and a small flathead screwdriver. I'm going to start by removing these 2 screws on the shoe. You won't need these screws anymore, but you probably do want to keep them around just in case you want to remove the bead kit and put your shoes back on. Next, in place of the screws, you're going to put the bead guide studs. Loosely put the first one in, and then the same for the second one. Then, using the 1/4-inch driver, hold down the shoe so it's against the side plate, and tighten the first one down so it's nice and tight. Then take your pair of pliers and make sure that your shoes are together. You see how there's play in this brass bar? I'm going to squeeze that bottom shoe and the top shoe together so that there's no play anymore, so that it's nice and tight. And then I'm going to tighten the back stud. It's very similar to if you were changing your box shoes. So you want no play in that brass bar. Next, you take the 2 hex washers and put them over top of the stud so that it's flat with the shoe. Then you're going to take your bead guide. This little tab goes next to the brass bar. So there's 2 sides. There's one side for the left and one side for the right. Slide that over top, and so that when it pivots, this little tab comes out right in front of the blade. Next, you take one of your Delrin washers, put it on the stud, and the second one on the other. Then you take the stainless washers and put them on top of there. Lastly, you take your 2 lock nuts, put them on the studs, then with your 1/4-inch washer, tighten them down. Just tighten them down kind of lightly so that there's some tension with the bead guide, that it moves, but it doesn't move too loosely. You can adjust the tension as well. So that way when it's on and you're doing the bead, it doesn't slip. And when you want to take it off, there's tension, but it'll come off and not be moving around. For the other side, you just repeat the same process. Adding these bead guides to your box, along with the bead wheel, gives you a nice straight line when you're running bead with your box, especially if you're new to it and you're not used to it. It'll give you that nice assist down the wall so you're not running all over the place. The nice thing about these kits, not only do they fit on a Columbia flat box, they're universal with most of the other brands in the industry.